right now is very simple, very simple. Basically, I've dug a hole, spent me a lot of time just digging, just a straight hole in the ground is all this is. Once the hole is dug, I put 4 cedar poles in the center to hold up the roof. Only instead of in the center, I actually put them off to the side. And then I took a bunch of vine maples and ran them from the ground to the center. So I've got the hole, the cedar trees, holding up the vine maple rafters. After that, I covered it in hemlock branches, which are like a lattice that will hold up all the debris. And eventually I will bury a ton of debris on top of this, and that'll shed water. And that's where my shelter is at to this point. It's very basic, very simple. It's just an experiment. We'll see how it works. This is hopefully going to be my home.